Hello students, today in this class we will learn about open source philosophy and software licenses. So broadly the term open source software is used to refer to those category of software programs whose license do not impose much conditions. So generally we know whenever we buy a software, whenever we want to use that particular company software, we have to buy them and we have to purchase the license. But if we use open source software, then it means it is used to refer those category of software programs which license do not impose much condition. Such software generally give users freedom to run use the software for any purpose, to study and modify the program and redistribute copy of either the original or modified program without having to pay royalty to previous developer. So user can download this software freely from the internet and can redistribute or modify the program as per its requirement by the help of open source technology. So there are many categories of software that may be referred to as open source software. But to know about open source software, but we have to learn some terminology also. So what are the basic terminology? So before we talk about various terms and definition pertaining to open world, you must be clear two terms which are often misunderstood or misinterpreted. So basic two term of open source software is free software and open source software. So what is free software? Free software means the software is freely used, changed, improved, copied and distributed by all who wish to do so, and no payment are yet to made for free software. Generally these software can be downloaded by the internet and can redistribute change as per our requirement. And what is the open source software? So open source software on the other hand can be freely used in terms of making modification, constructing business models around the software and so on. But it does not have to be free for charge. So here the company constructing the business model around open source software may receive payments concerning support and further development. What is important to know here is that in open source software, the source code is freely available to the customer, but they can use freely making modification, constructing business, but it does not have to be free for charge. So what is the philosophy of open source? So we have some point in the open source. So our first point is free redistribution. So no restriction on the redistribution of the software, whether as a whole or in part. So any user can redistribute it as per own requirement. There is no such kind of restriction in this way. Second is source code. The program must include source code and must allow distribution in source code as well as compiled form. So all the program source code is available in open source. So user can change or can redistribute that particular source code to other user. Third is derived work. The license must allow modification and derived works and must allow them to be redistributed under the same terms as the license of the original software. And our next topic is integrity of the author's source code. The integrity of the author's source code must be maintained. Any addition modification should carry a different name or version number from the original software. And our next topic is no discrimination against person or groups. So the license must not discriminate against any person or group of person. And last point about the open source is distribution of license. The rights attached to the program must apply to all to whom the program is redistributed. So today we learn about what is open source, what is free software, and what are the philosophy of open source software